Alright, with construction, well, all I do really is just set up. So I'll keep their popsicle sticks. Because they only get a certain amount, I'll put them in like a little Ziploc bag after and make sure they've got their names on it. Put some masking tape and write their initials on it, and keep that so that, you know, they're not using extra popsicle sticks or anything like that. Basically all I'm doing is reminding students, you know, make sure the car can fit through. So this is my car here, and it's a good size, I reckon. It's about 2/3 of a popsicle stick across. So make sure that can drive through. Make sure there's a place for the weights. So if you're using just free weights like I do, just plates, that there's a place for them, or that they've got a place for the bucket to sort of hang on, and it'll still work. And also remind them basically that if your gap is 600, like mine is at the moment, then their bridge will have to be longer than that, essentially. And just the other bits and pieces about the rules. The only other thing you can really do is talk to students and make sure that they have done a little bit of research or read through the opening presentation again, just to make sure, refer back to their material testing so they know which way the popsicle sticks are strong and which way they're weak. Another place where they get caught up is trying to join them at right angles from each other. So yeah, one laying down and one standing up. So them trying to figure that out as well is, you can help them through that, but usually that's all I do, just walk around and that. If a student wants to start again, I usually tell them at the start, look, I've only got 2 extra sets, so the first 2 people that want to start again, you basically take all their popsicle sticks off them and whatever they've done so far, and then give them the new ones, and it's basically like a reset. But I don't let people just keep doing it because it's just a waste, really. There's usually 1 or 2 groups that want to restart, and I'll indulge them fine. But yeah, students, they need all the time to actually start building it, so, and be able to, you know, figure out who's doing what and whatnot. So yeah. I try to give students some advice, especially the ones that are having a harder time. But the first thing I always tell them is just make sure whatever you've got will go from one end to the other end. So if they're asking me, what should I build? And I just say, look, just get something that goes from one end to the other end and then figure out how you're going to support it. That's usually the easiest way. So even if they build a platform with like sticks along the way so the car can cross, and then how they're actually going to support the rest of that, it's just an easy 2-step sort of way to go about it. But this is the good part of the project, so enjoy it, take some photos, that's what I usually do, and get ready to run the competition.